How to get a disabled Instagram account back. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can recover a disabled Instagram account. For this, firstly, you will need to open any of your preferred web browser. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for Recover Instagram Account. Now search for it and on the result page, scroll down. Scroll down until you see this link. In this link, it says Disable Instagram Account. Tap on it and you will land to the official website. In the official website, click on Visit this page. And now you will land to your Instagram app. From these options, select My account was disabled and click on Next. To verify, you will need to enter your username, phone number or email. After they have identified your account, then you can recover it. To recover it, you might need to enter your password or verify your email address, phone number or username. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.